What if I'm not Jason for the rest of the night?
I'm sorry, what?
What if I'm not Jason for the rest of the night?
Then you gotta kind of.
Find the others.
Ooh, pocket knife. You just gotta cut your losses, I guess, love.
Uh-huh.
Because it's gonna take me a long time to do the update, so.
Yeah.
I'm at the main house, by the way. With Joshua.
I'm at the main house.
Well, I see Joshua's mouth moving. Are you upstairs?
Yeah.
What
What you got? Suck it. What are you laughing at?
I got two pocket knives.
One of them's mine.
No.
Yeah. Any
Why?
other time, I get
Why would one of them be yours? Let's just ponder that question really quick.
You always give me one.
I do.
Yeah?
I do. You don't always give me the shotgun. Where are you?
I'm upstairs.
Come on.
I want the pocket knife.
I didn't say I wasn't going to give you the pocket knife. But I'm not sitting here at main house waiting to get killed either. You really want one? You want it? You want that? You want that?
Hey!
You want that? You want that?
Babe!
Okay, you can have it. You're like, I want that pocket knife.
You're rude.
Go check that other house.
Someone's been in here.
What?
Someone's been in here.
Someone's been in all of these, I think. Oh, Jason's right across the road. He's after little dudes. I like how you ran right to him.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, now he's breaking down our door. What are you doing? Come on. Where are you going? Come on.
Oh, my bad.
Pay attention.
I am paying attention.
No, you're not. We left little dudes to get killed.
That's cool.
Check that drawer. Oh, I'll check it. Alright, I haven't found anything else that's of use.
Nope.
I will take an axe. No heal spray. You do hear he's coming, right?
Yeah,
Why are you dancing?
because I can.
Because I can.
Stop.
You stop. See how you're running? That's what makes your stamina go away. If you don't have to run to a house, don't run to a house. There's a battery. There's my heal spray.
Oh, that's cool.
You got 2 pocket knives?
Uh-huh.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I think we should be going down to this car over here, though. Oh, he's already got 3 people dead. I like how we're fixing this car and we don't even have keys.
I know, right?
Why are we doing it then?
Super nice.
Fuck that shit.
There, got it.
Will you stop running into me?
Sorry.
I'm looking for another pocket knife. Damn it. He's here. I'm leaving. I got nothing to save you. I have no weapon. Found the phone house.
Mm-hmm.
You better lock that door behind you.
Shotgun.
Get the shotgun. You know I'm not staying here, right?
Uh-huh.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Here, take mine. You get it?
Uh-huh. I'm in need of stamina.
That's what I said. You have to save it. But you don't ever listen to me. You know that, right?
I do so.
Did you flare him?
I missed.
He's shifting on you.
Uh-huh. Threw a knife at me.
He did. That wasn't very nice. Did you already waste a pocket knife?
Just now. I need heals.
Oh, come here.
Thanks.
That was my only one. And I don't have a weapon.
Fuck.
I don't know why we're doing this. I mean,
I have
There's no-
turkey.
well, we don't have gas. Do we now?
No.
And there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 of us. He's in. He's going outside. Watch out. He's gonna be shifting. You seriously just need to all out run.
Is that a person?
Well, I found a battery to the 4-seater.
Oh.
Did he stay or did he leave?
He's here.
No, he's here. I'm running.
Oh my god! What happened?
Good luck.
Yep.
Yep, what?
I'm gonna die.
Oh, and I just stepped in one of his fucking traps. I don't have my heal spray anymore, because who did I give it to?
Come on, chicken shit! Come on, you pussy!
That's just fucking great. Where the hell is he?
Right outside.
Are you still alive?
Uh-huh.
Holy
Tommy saved
shit!
me.
Is that a dead body?
Yeah, but no one wants to save me, so I'm gonna suicide.
I mean, I'm still limping.
Where are you?
How she just came out of.
Well, if you want my pocket knife,
Fuck! Who is that?
it's gonna be right in here. Oh, that wasn't enough.
Somebody turn that thing off.
I did. Oh, sorry, buddy. I suicided. Yeah. He just trapped that window.
I know.
Yeah. So, watch out. Ooh, close. Did you get my pocket knife or no?
No.
No, now he got you.
Oh, yeah.
You had two, remember?
Therapy. 10-4-97.
One more time. Oh, you got it. He still tried grabbing you after you fell. What an idiot.